All right, welcome to our audio production town hall. Every month we're talking about various topics from mixing and plugins to various people in the industry and many more topics. But today we have a special conversation to have with you. We are going to talk about Pro Tools certification. My name is Brad Barbey. I'm the course director for Audio Workstations, and my co-host today
My name is Kendall Bens. I am course director for Advanced Audio Editing Techniques.
And so the reason we're both doing this today is because Pro Tools certification happens through both of our courses. And so Audio Workstations, when you come into Audio Workstations in your first year of the degree program, that's where the first step of your Pro Tools certification takes place. And then part two happens when you get to Advanced Audio Editing Techniques. So the way it's kind of set up here is, if we're talking about Pro Tools certification in general, the end goal is that you want to get Pro Tools certified. And so what that is that's a digital badge, and we'll talk more about that here in just a little bit. But the end goal is to be a Pro Tools certified professional. And so really the first step of that is going to be in Audio Workstations. And so when you get into Audio Workstations, you know, we'll go through all the Pro Tools setup conversation and all that. And then during the month, we're going to be talking about a multitude of Pro Tools processes and workflows and things like that. At the start of the class, you are going to get the 101 and the 110 books. And so those will be good books to read and reference while you're working in the class. But just to kind of stress it, the class is not teaching directly out of the books. There are a lot of subjects that we talk about in class that do compare to material that's in the books, but the class is going much deeper than what is in the 101 and 110 books. So, you know, as the slide says, taking the class is not going to be exactly everything that you're going to need in order to do well on the Pro Tools certification test. And so you're really going to have to read the books. And so maybe we can talk in a little bit about kind of the way to do that, you know. So you take Audio Workstations, and then you're going to need to achieve a certain grade, and that can all be covered in detail when you get to the class. But you'll